急ぐ used when you might miss a train or when the time for an appointment is getting close. 急ぐ電車に乗り遅れそうな時や約束の時間が近い時に使います。It is a 語談 verb used both intransitively and transitively. 急ぐ means to move quickly yourself or to make a task or plan progress faster. 動作や進みを早めること、自分が早く動く場合と作業や予定の進行を早める場合の2つらあります。The only kanji means urgent or sudden. It suggests speed and something that needs attention now. You see it in kyū-ko for an express train and in kyū-yo for urgent business. When you meet it, think quick, sudden, and important. I hurry to catch the train. 電車に間に合うように急ぎます。電車に間に合うように急ぎます。Please hurry up a bit as we don't have much time left. もう時間がないので少し急いでください。もう時間がないので少し急いでください。It looks like it's going to rain, so let's hurry home. 雨が降りそうだから家へ急ごう。雨が降りそうだから家へ急ごう。Even if you rush your work, don't make any mistakes. 仕事を急いでもミスをしないでね。仕事を急いでもミスをしないでね。The most common synonyms of the word are aseru and hayameru. Aseru is about the feeling of being rushed or flustered, while hayameru is a transitive speed up and matches the sense of making a task go faster. The most common antonym of the word is okuraseru, which means to push something later in time, the opposite of moving or making things go faster.